Hello friends! Is your cruise control acting up? Maybe it's not engaging or it suddenly stops working while driving? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0589, this means there's an issue with the cruise control multifunction input B circuit. This could be caused by a faulty switch, damaged wiring, or even a problem with the cruise control module. But the big question is, where is the faulty component located? Let's find out. The P0589 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input B Circuit. This means the ECU has detected a fault in the multifunction input switch, which is responsible for controlling cruise control functions like setting speed, resuming, or canceling. Common symptoms of P0589: cruise control not working or unresponsive. Cruise control turns off randomly. Check engine light, CL, is on. Cruise control buttons don't function properly. Erratic speed control behavior. If you're experiencing any of these issues, let's locate the problem. To diagnose P0589, check these key components: cruise control switch, multifunction switch. Location: on the steering wheel or steering column. This switch sends signals to the ECU for cruise control functions. Cruise control module. Location: under the dashboard or near the engine bay firewall. This module processes cruise control inputs and regulates speed. Brake pedal position sensor location: above the brake pedal under the dashboard. A faulty sensor can mistakenly disable cruise control. Clutch pedal position sensor, manual transmission vehicles only. Location: attached to the clutch pedal assembly. A faulty clutch switch can cut off cruise control unexpectedly. Wiring and fuse box location: fuse box under the dashboard or engine bay. Damaged wiring or blown fuses can cause circuit malfunctions. Common causes of P0589: faulty cruise control switch. The switch may be worn out or sending incorrect signals. Damaged wiring or loose connections. Corroded or disconnected wires can cause signal loss. Blown fuse or faulty relay. If a fuse related to the switch is blown, the circuit may fail. Brake or clutch pedal sensor malfunction. If either sensor is faulty, the system may disengage cruise control. Cruise control module failure. If the module is faulty, it won't process switch inputs properly. How to fix P0589? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for additional trouble codes. Step 2. Test the cruise control switch. If unresponsive, replace it. Step 3. Inspect brake and clutch pedal sensors. If they're faulty, replace them. Step 4. Check fuses and relays. Replace any blown fuses related to cruise control. Step 5. Inspect wiring and connectors. Repair any broken or corroded wires. Step 6. Reset the ECU and test drive to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0589 can leave you without a functioning cruise control system, affecting driving comfort. Fixing it early ensures safe and smooth highway driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0424, catalyst temperature sensor low, bank 1. P0425, catalyst temperature sensor high, bank 1. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.